So hi guys, I decided to shoot this video because I've been reading the news recently, especially the things that are happening in Nigeria. It doesn't really encourage anyone, and so many things have been happening and it's really discouraging. It's saddening too, but at the end of the day, I just want to encourage each and every one of us that God has us. He has got us since the beginning of time, and He's not going to let us stay in our low times for long. He has us. So I thought of it and I came up with this video. I said to myself, how do we encourage other people? And I would like to tell you that you have to find a way to encourage yourself. Find what makes you happy and go ahead with it, because I have to tell you, your habits stroke your lifestyle has an influence on your health status. You could see someone looking physically fit and the person is telling you that he's sick. There are so many things to it and there are so many reasons why that would be happening. So I'm going to be giving you 5 tips on healthy habits that you should practice to help keep your health status clean and cool. So the first one is always learn to take a rest. It's very important. See, your body, there's a common saying, body no be firewood. Because even if firewood, shebi when it burn finish, you go rest. Even you, that is how your body is. Learn to take a rest. If you're feeling sleepy at any point, or you feel you need to shut your eyes for a minute or two, suspend whatever you're doing and take that rest, because it is much needed. Taking a rest, it helps your body regenerate, it helps your body repair any cells that was worn out or that was already tired already. So it helps in a lot of ways. Whenever you feel that you need to take a rest at all, at any moment, please do, because it is highly needed. Your body needs it at that point. So do not deprive your body of that rest. Take a rest. Make it a habit. Tell yourself, today I'm not going out. Today I'm not taking any calls. Today I just want to spoil myself and take a nice rest. Another tip which I'll be giving to you is form the habit of drinking water early. Yes, I said early. I didn't say every 4 hours or every 12 hours. I said early, which means at every hour. If you need to set a reminder to remind you to drink water, please do. So in a day you have 24 hours. And out of that 24 hours, let's say 12 hours in the daytime, you are constantly working. Your body is working, your kidneys are working, your liver is working, and everything is working. And probably in the day, if you're a type that your work requires you, you're sweating, you're losing water at every hour, and it is not good staying dehydrated. So you need to form the habit of drinking water early. Another tip I'll be giving to you, come on, exchange junk food for fruits. Now, I know people will come at me for this, but I'm not trying to say you shouldn't enjoy life. I'm just saying you should form it a habit that, okay, just tell yourself that 3 times in a week, I'm going to feed myself with fruits. I'll have fruits in between lunch and dinner. I'll have fruits in between breakfast and lunch. Just squeeze it in. Have time for fruits. Exchange junk food. Let me tell you, your body no dey reject good thing. No. Your body does not reject good things. So once in a while, pamper it. Tell yourself, today I will spoil myself. If I'm going to have a fruit salad today, do it because you earned it. Do it because it is necessary for you. So spoil yourself once in a while, not every time. Chicken pie, meat pie, come on, fried rice. I know those selling in Mr. Biggs will call for me and say, babe, you don't want us to sell Abby. No, it's not like that. I'm just telling people that they should learn, make it a habit to make sure that they are eating fruits like in a week. Now, let me ask you, this week, how many times did you eat fruits? I'm not talking of that 100 naira orange that you just buy, although too is important. But the one you sit down, you mix, okay, maybe watermelon, some pawpaw, some oranges, some pineapples. Make it a habit. It is necessary. See, most of you don't even incorporate vegetables in your meal. I'm talking of the one when you eat that rice that you go to buy, or the one you cook. You don't even put vegetable in the rice or in the stew to say, okay, let me eat it, which is a good thing. Some of them barely eat vegetable except the time they're about to eat vegetable soup. please make it a habit to always have fruits in whatever you're eating. And if you can even incorporate vegetables in all your meals, you're good to go now. Your immune system is gonna be jumping and be ready for you when you call on it. So make it a habit to always have fruits as part of your meal every week. So another tip is, instead of sitting all day watching Netflix and chilling, you could just decide to take a brisk walk, do yoga, join Fit Farm, instead of lying down in your room all day. In fact, this one is for the introverts in the house. Yes, I'm coming for you guys. Instead of sitting all day telling yourself, oh, I don't go out, I don't talk to people, I could just sit in my room all day watching movies. Stop it. Change that habit. Instead of sitting all day watching all those movies, sometimes take a brisk walk, do yoga, skip, stand and just move your body, dance, flex your muscles, flex your bones, because it is highly needed. Don't just stay in one place for a very long time, being just, doing what you guys feel you're doing, Netflix and chilling. Don't get me wrong, I'm a lover of Netflix. I love Netflix. But once it's time, you just know that, oh, okay, I'm done with this movie. Let me go outside, just take a stroll. When you take a stroll, you could just do something, even if it's not cardio, a light physical activity for yourself. If it's skipping, make it a habit, skip. If it's dancing like me, I know I'm a very wonderful dancer. Like, there's no argument there. I am a very wonderful dancer. So I just make sure that at least in the evening, I, give myself some moves. So another would be make it a habit of using the toilet regularly. I'm not just talking of taking urine and even to poo. Make it a habit to poo, because come on, you guys, you eat 3 times a day, 24/7, 365. You eat regularly, so make it a habit of visiting the toilets regularly, because once your body is done taking the food it needs, taking what it needs from the food you have eaten, the rest could not just be stored up in your system like that. You have to let it go. Let it go. So this last point I'm about to give is, in fact, is like the oga pata 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 of all points, which I'm going to say is guard your thoughts. Guard it with all your strength. Guard it with everything you have, because your mind deserves the peace you're to give to it. Your thoughts are very, very powerful, so guard them with all your strength. A lot of things are happening in the country these days, and if you're not a strong-hearted person, please, I advise you to just stay away from the news, because what's happening once you go to the news, you read something on, you get discouraged and it's disheartening. It's also very, very, very sad, and you need to guard your thoughts. What I mean by guarding your thoughts, try not to be idle. Learn a new skill if you can. Call a friend, watch a football together, start a conversation, talk about that drama series. Like, I've been busy these days, I've not been keeping up on my movies. I heard Bridgerton season 2 is out. Personally, because I am a movie lover, I have a group, a WhatsApp group with people I barely know, but they talk about and they recommend good movies to watch. And people that have talked about it, it's like a group chat. They just talk about movies that they watch, a drama series that are coming out that are going to be interesting. So I heard Bridgerton season 2 is out. I'm a very huge fan of the movie, but I've not gone to see it yet. I think I'll just sit back and wait for all the episodes to be out. So that's what I do, because your thoughts are very, very powerful. So guard it seriously. Guard it. If you feel you're idle, call a friend, start up a conversation, visit somebody, watch a football match, Netflix and chill. But I'm not saying you should Netflix and chill all day long. Just start something, learn a new skill, read a book. If you feel you're going to be idle or your thoughts are idle, hook yourself up with some motivational books or some books of something to just, inspire your thoughts, to inspire you to move to do something. So that's it, or some tips I have given, which you should use. And you should also think about those tips. If there's anyone you feel could have added to this to educate the viewers, please do so in the comment section. I'd really appreciate if you do. And share this video. You don't know who you're, I keep saying it, you don't know who you're helping by sharing this video. Share this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. So see you on the next video. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.